As a real estate investor, you're always looking for better ways to finance new deals, maximize returns, and grow your portfolio. But traditional financing can be slow, unpredictable, and costly. What if there was a way to take back control of your capital and finance your deals on your terms? Let me introduce you to the infinite banking concept. First, let's break down what infinite banking is. IBC is a strategy that allows you to create your own personal banking system by leveraging a properly structured, participating whole life insurance policy. These policies build cash value over time, and as an investor, you can borrow against that value, tax-free and with no hoops to jump through, no extensive paperwork, and no permission from banks. Here's how it works. As you pay premiums into your whole life insurance policy or additional lump sums of cash, your policy accumulates cash value. You can borrow from this cash value to fund your real estate purchases, whether it's a down payment on a rental property, rehab costs, or even covering unexpected expenses. The best part? While you're using the funds, your policy continues to grow and earn dividends, meaning you're making money in two places at once. Let's say you have a new opportunity come up and you need $100,000 for a down payment on an investment property. Instead of waiting for approval from a bank or dealing with high interest rates, you can borrow that money from your policy's cash value. When you're the bank, you control the repayment terms, and you don't have to worry about traditional financing roadblocks like credit checks or loan limits. As a real estate investor, infinite banking gives you flexibility. You can access your cash whenever you need it, without having to sell assets or liquidate investments. Plus, the cash value grows tax-deferred. And because it's a loan against your policy, you don't pay taxes on the borrowed money. This method also helps protect your liquidity. You don't have to wait on banks or lenders, giving you a competitive edge. We know acting fast is critical in many real estate deals. Infinite banking isn't just a short-term solution. It's a long-term wealth-building strategy. As your portfolio grows, so does the cash value in your policy. This gives you continuous access to capital, which you can use for future deals, renovations, or even passive income streams. You're not just borrowing money, you're building a system that multiplies your wealth over time. The true power of infinite banking is in the control. You decide when to access funds, how to use them, and how to repay them. It's a flexible and efficient way to grow your real estate business without being tied down by traditional financing restrictions. With infinite banking, you can take charge of your real estate investment strategy, maximize your buying power, and create a reliable source of capital for future deals. It's a powerful tool for investors who want more control, less dependence on banks, and additional long-term wealth-building strategy, which is why countless real estate icons like Pace Morby, Chris Crone, and Cody Sperber all utilize this exact concept. If you'd like to learn more about how infinite banking could help you unlock new opportunities, grow your portfolio, and build lasting wealth, then book your free cash consultation call today, and let's sit down and discuss your personal situation. As always, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless.